come here on. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guys, we're going to discuss about how you can trade order blocker and how you can find proper order blocker in the market. Okay, so let's just remove this guys, everything, remove the drawings. So guys, if you look at this one, so this is pure price action guys. This is pure price action. I'm going to show you how you can get good entries and how you can start making money in forex trading guys. Remember, tomorrow the market is opening, so at the end of the video, if time will be allowing us, we are also going to break down how you're going to trade euro USD this coming week. Or if it won't happen, I'll just make sure that I produce a different video which is going to help you guys maybe just to have the idea about what is going to happen this coming week. This coming week will be on 12th June 2023. So guys, let's begin, and make sure to smash the button and subscribe. Okay, so the first thing we always look at is CEST. Remember that we had that conditions guys. We said that we also need, before we look at the market, we are using this mnemonic guys, CEST. Okay, CEST. Okay, so we are using CEST. I think you know what this means. So CEST guys just means conditions. So our conditions met. Okay, then entries. So this one means conditions, entries, stops. Okay, how our stops met, and targets. Okay, these are our targets. Okay, so conditions, our conditions met. So here the first thing we are looking at guys is the conditions. So we start with the conditions first. Okay, so let's start with conditions. So if we look at the conditions, our conditions met, not yet. Our conditions are not yet met. What are some of the conditions we need to say is, we need first to look at the trend. Okay, how is the trend? So the first thing you're going to do is you need to zoom in the market. Zoom in, all right? Zoom in, or at least 10 times or at least 9 times, whatever you want, but at least not less than 5, right? Not less than 5. Zoom in about that. So guys, if you see, you can see that the market likes moving in zigzag forms. If you can see here, we had a very strong expansion. This was a strong expansion. If you want, I'm just like giving you a history with yourself. So we had a very good expansion guys. From there, if you can see, this was an expansion, right? From here, and I think if you can measure these pips, it should be like let's measure the range, this should be like guys 400,000 pips. 400,000 pips guys, all right? A lot, 400,000 pips. So this is a lot of money in the market, and as you can see here, they were taking profits. Whenever you see like a range, it means they're taking profits. Once they take out the profits, just need to look for the best opportunity to enter the market. Okay, let me just show you this. This is very important. So if you can see, this was a very strong uptrend. So if you can see, the network is quite okay. So if you can see, the market is in an uptrend, pushing right. The market is pushing in an uptrend. So let me just show you this guys. It's very important for you to understand the concept. Okay, so we are here. It's very important, right? So this was a very strong down row. Have you seen? This was an uptrend, right? So we are pushing an uptrend from here. Then what did price do? Break the uptrend. This was the trend line. So I know how you don't turn it. You don't turn it like this. Okay, then once you see the trend line breaks, you just need to be looking to buy, to sell the market. I mean, you'd have drawn your level from here. Then price, if you can see, the best thing, you cannot draw this one here. The best level to draw is this one here. I say so because you know how our SM traders trade. You draw the level from here. I say so because this is liquidity here. This is liquidity, so this one can be taken. So this is liquidity. No wonder you see price came here and rejected and again broke. Then from here you would have entered. From here this would have been your entry, right? Now these things, guys, it's okay. I just wanted to show you, or like just to open your mind. Okay, so let's continue for the video of the today. So if you can look at this market, the overall trend, yes, if we can see the overall trend is to the downside. Okay, that's the overall trend is to the downside. Okay, so what are we looking at? So what we are looking at is selling opportunities. Okay, but if we can look at it, doesn't mean that when you're in a downtrend you just look to buy. No, you just look to sell. You can also buy. Okay, so if you can look at this, the price, if you can see, it was coming like if you begin it from here, it was coming, breaking structures. Let me show you guys. We had a low here, a low here, break structure. So if you can see, push down, breaking the structures, rejecting from here, price is pushing, pulled. Okay, so if you can see, you can see how the price is moving, right? Which is very powerful. Okay, which is very powerful. You can see how the price is moving. So price is making those series of moves. Okay, so we just look at how price is moving, guys, and we follow that. So it is not breaking any previous low, it's not breaking any previous swing. If you can see what I mean, this swing is protected, this swing is protected, this swing here is protected, but here once we break, it's a change of character. So in the change of character from here, what do you wait? You wait for price to come to this level, you wait for a break of this double bottom, then you wait for price to come to this zone, to this order blocker from here. Let me show you from this order. So we are looking now at this order blocker from here. So what you do is, let's remove this, guys. Let's remove this. So what you are looking for is for price. You are looking for price now, guys, to come. You are looking for price now, guys, to come to this order blocker from here. Okay, once you see that, okay, price is coming to your order blocker from here, this is a very good order blocker, you will now start to looking to sell. Okay, so once if you see this order blocker fails, you wait, you see an opportunity to start selling the market. So let's see how price plays out from here. Let's see. Okay, so here, sorry, so you just repeat it from there. If you can see, you've seen that, okay, the market is coming out to my order blocker, right? Once you see the market is coming to the order blocker and this is an uptrend, we had a push, we had the change of character from here, guys. Then what did we have? We had a double bottom from here. We wait for price to create somewhat engineer liquidity. So here liquidity was engineered. Some people would trade it like this. No wonder those people trade flags, they're always taken out, because some people think, oh, break out to the downside, they enter here, they have been taken out. As man traders, we know that this is another blocker. This is a very powerful area to look at selling. If you see, this area has been tested multiple times, but we just use it as another blocker. Just one here, we don't want to confuse things because we are smart money concept. So liquidity induced takes out the liquidity to the downside, then prices push it to the upside, breaking structures, right? So we wait for now price to come to this order blocker, which it created. It didn't come to your order blocker here, you are waiting for it, right? So just wait. So we have also some liquidity here. This is liquidity. So what do? You just wait for price to come to this zone and they push again, change of character from here, push, break structure. We wait for price now to come here. We wait again to take the liquidity from here. Then you press your trade from there. Then now this is the trend line liquidity. You just put your target where you feel like putting. So our target as will be this high here, guys. This high here. This is our target, guys. And our stop loss, guys, will be just below, just like this. Half of this. 50%, guys. And let's play price. Let's see how price plays. Okay. Let's speed it up. Let's speed it up, guys. Make sure, guys, to subscribe, like the video, guys, and share and show some love. Thank you for watching, and guys, I love you.